Hi everyone, again here we are with the sunset picture, the sun obviously setting behind her, overexposed, her underexposed, and so I'm going to make this image a lot better than it is now. So no matter what I was doing, I did not have light on the subject. We were in a hurry in a way. I just didn't have lighting. I like to use natural light and then do some editing here, which is a lot easier than trying to set up something out there. So here what I'm going to do is go ahead and give it a pop. It's going to just bring in those colors in the front there, but I don't like how saturated it is or how light it is in the back, so I'm going to bring those highlights down, shadows up. I'm going to also give it a nice smooth texture with a little bit of a vignette. We're going to try the bloom a little bit, apply. Then I'm going to hit the presets, go to food, corn, dial it down a little bit or up, apply. And again, I'm going to go into the presets, or these adjustable ones, bring the highlights down. I'm going to try bringing the shadows up a little more to see what that does. And I think I like overall this, how it's looking. The only thing I just want to fix is with one of these areas where I can sharpen it or make it smooth, remove the noise. So I'm going to remove the noise. And this takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. It does a good job. But right now, this image is a lot better than it was. We've got some pretty colors over here. This is all light, still light, but I think it's overall the picture is really cool. We got some really cool coloring in the lake. She's not completely like light lit, but it's enough where you get the whole view of the image with a nice vignette around the edges. It gives it a nice sense of color and vibrance and movement. And so now we're just waiting to get rid of that noise. Again, Pixlr Express. Okay, voila, it's done. I like how that looks, so I'm going to hit apply. And I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I don't think I need to do anything else to this, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then we are going to turn that one into a black and white as well. So for sure, I think black and whites do look pretty cool with the dramatic lighting. So it's just a matter of getting it overall exposed right. So I'm just going to use that preset there. Again, I might bring some highlights down just to give it some more depth of the lake in there. See what the shadows do if I bring those up. Now I'm going to bring those down. Hit this. And overall, I think we're good just for a black and white. And of course I took very many different photos with different lighting, so they have a good album of variety of lighting, color, poses, etc. So there you have it. Again, that's the lighting behind her at sunset in the lake. Thanks for watching.